Hello guys, another video. This time it's gonna be a fun project. I'm gonna try to install, I don't know if you can actually see, a remote central door locking system. Pretty much it's an alarm for your car. The difference is that it comes with all the actuators with the relays built in them. That's pretty much the difference. If you buy a nice alarm system for your car or your truck, it only comes with this, with the wire harness, two remotes. Because most of the newer cars, or most of the cars, they already have these actuators built in, and then you have to buy this. So this comes with everything. That's the reason why I bought this. I bought it on Amazon. It was like 36 bucks, so it was a joke. So I said, man, let me just give it a try. So let's go ahead and install it, see if it works. I'm gonna put it somewhere up there, in there, one of those panels probably underneath the dash, and then I'm gonna run the cables, the door actuators here, and let me start disassemble the door. Okay guys, before I start installing the device, I wanted to test it out first because I was reading some reviews. In some cases it doesn't work. What I did, I just grab power from my batteries and feed it, and this is pretty much what it is. I lay all the cables on the ground. This is for the first actuator. This one comes with all these cables. I believe this is the one that has the signal or whatever, sends signal to the other ones. This has got all the wires, and then for the second one, the third and the fourth actuator. Like in this case, I'm not using the third and the fourth. I'm just gonna cut the cables, but I wanted to show you in case you're watching this video and you're gonna install it somewhere else. Well, let's give it a try. It's hooked up. It should work. Let's see. Do you see that? It actually works. Lock. Unlock. All of them. So I did the test. It's working. Let's just go ahead and install it. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use, I don't know if you can actually see here, I'm using the same hole as where it was the actual lock that goes there, and then later on I'm gonna shave it. So let me show you what I did. I kind of realized I wanted here, so this is the bar that comes with it. I kind of cut it to use the same hole like around there. And then I just put some cream or something like on this side, and you can actually see, and then I just push it against there, and then I got marked my two holes right there, and you can actually see. And then let's go ahead, cut the holes, put it in, and then the hardest thing is gonna be to run the cables. We'll figure something out. Alright guys, there was a change of plans. As I said, I wanted to put it here where the existing the lock goes, but it wasn't striking enough. So what I did, I just did because it needs to have some play, like an inch of play. So I did a small hole there, as you can see, and run it through there, and I just bend it. And before I continue, you can see it's back there. Here's the two holes I mark. Before I continue, I did plug it in to see if the actuator is strong enough. See, I'm running it through the batteries just to make sure, and it seems it's working. Check it out. I'm gonna lock it, unlock. So yeah, it works. So let's go ahead and run the cables. Alright guys, so I already run the cables on this side. It's all hooked up. I just gotta put everything together. I pass them through here where the original hole is. I had my antenna, as most of you guys. The antenna, the cable for the antenna was running through here, and I unhooked it. I don't have my antenna anymore, and I just did a hole there. I did it as just barely avoiding the hinge, and you can actually see why did it there. Just, you know, so there is less trouble on the cable. See if it works. I decided to put it there just with some tie rod, so it's not in, you know, it's just there. And the other thing I did was to cut all the wires that are not necessary. Like for the other two actuators, I cut them. So now what I have, it's only this one, which will be for the other actuator. The pink is gonna be for the lights, and I'm gonna show you a trick on that too. So let's continue, guys. I gotta run the power, I gotta run the other side, hide the cables, and put all this together. And let me just do that, and I'll keep on showing you how it's done. So here we are on the other side of the truck. Excuse me. I really run the wires all the way from the ECM. I have to remove that panel to get in the back, and then this one over here to run it here. You'll see them there. And then I kind of just got this one loose in order to be able to catch them in there. But I got a problem. They are not going to be long enough. So a suggestion I use, in the beginning of the video, you saw that there is 2, 3, 4 different lengths. The first one obviously is for the main one, and the second one is this one. And I cut the other two because it was way too many cable. So just as a suggestion, next time just go with the third one instead of the second one, and you'll be able, I'm not have to, I mean, it's not a big deal. I just have to join the cables, but it's something, you know. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna join the cables and do all the whatever has to be done in there. I just gotta disassemble the door, guys. So we got this side pretty much pre-done. Just run the wires properly and close up. I wanted to show you something. In this case, on the other door, the motor was sitting on this side. There was enough space just to put it there, like on the inner side of the door. In this case, I have all the hardware here for the electric window, so I couldn't do it. As you can see, here's the bolts. So I had to do it on the other side. So I ended up putting it here. It barely shows. I put it like really short right there, and it's working. The thing is, it has to be like almost sideways in order to push it this way and that way. I don't have more space than that. It's kind of tilted, but it's working that way. And since it's facing the opposite side as it should, all you have to do at some point, just put your cables the opposite. Blue with green, green with blue, and that should do the trick. Alright guys, so here's the finish result, both sides. You can actually see. Lock. Lock. Let's go over to the other side. Lock. Unlock. This, guys, hope you like this video. It was easy to do upgrade for like 40 bucks. It's gonna help you a lot. I hope you like the video. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.